Let's take a tour of the 2025 Diversified EDspaces booth. We are now in our welding area. You see this beautiful prep table here. Love this table. It has been a showstopper for this show. We've got the welding table, of course, and then our metal-based cabinet. The forever showstopper, the interface table. Everyone has been loving this unit. Moving on over to the rest of our client science space, we've got our entire Caseworks shower, eye wash station. We've got Mr. Bones in his home here in his skeleton closet. We've got our sink, great wheelbarrow tables. People are loving the option of the handle and the wheelbarrow casters on the other end. So moving along, we've got our dry and wet stations, microscope cabinet. Lots of talk on this unit too. Coming on over to another cult classic, our AR Sandbox. So everyone loves this, whether they want to come into the booth or not. It's a showstopper. It gets everyone to dig and play, which we absolutely love. The engagement has been on 10. And walking on over to our hydroponics. So we've got a great Euro cabinet here, lots of storage options, but then we have our beautiful hydroponic station and the growing rack. A lot of people want to know what is so special about this. Telling them that it's all-inclusive has been a real showstopper and drawing a lot of attention, knowing that they get the lights, the trays, and the rack. So our beautiful forward vision, of course, lots of questions on this. They're loving the options of colors. And then, of course, our Scani, and I make everyone say it just like that. They're loving the Scani chair. And then, of course, we've got our bench, taping bench here, great for the nursing program, great for your sports medicine. Now into our metals. So this has also been a hot topic. People are loving the metal solutions. They love all the options of not only colors, but configurations and these tables. So this has been a great talking point, and I love that we were able to showcase all of our metal options here at the show. We've got our beautiful wood workshop over here. So A-frame table, drafting table, workbench. All of the pieces in this section has been not only a conversation piece, everyone's sitting, trying, testing, but also asking lots of questions. So I love the wood shop area. People are absolutely obsessing over the tool cabinet. And that's a wrap for our 2025 EDspaces.